Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right in the phone app. This is where blocking happens. First, check your Xperia's model and Android version so you know menu names. Once done, open phone and find the number, either in recent calls or contacts, so you can act immediately. Make sure you're viewing the exact entry. Duplicates can exist. If it's a contact, open the contact card. If it's a recent call, tap the entry to reveal options. Now proceed to the blocking controls shown next. You're at the contact or call details screen, so tap the three-dot menu or more button. Choose block or block/report spam. On some Xperia models, the label is add to reject list. You may be offered to report the number as spam. Decide based on frequency and content. Confirm the block when prompted. This prevents calls and sometimes messages. Make sure to check whether voicemail is still accessible. Some carriers handle block numbers differently, and you may want to adjust carrier settings if needed. Once blocked, verify the entry under Phone App Settings blocked numbers to confirm success. You can remove or add numbers manually there, and you'll see whether a contact or raw number was blocked. If the block doesn't work, restart the phone and recheck. Syncing with contacts or third-party apps can cause mismatches. If unwanted calls persist, contact your carrier about network-level blocking and ensure your Xperia's software is up to date. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.